Hey everybody, it's Sarah from TheStyleBlog. I'm back again, and today I want to go over my hair routine video with you guys. I've gotten tons of questions about my hair. How'd you grow your hair out so long? How do you not have extensions? Oh, you don't have any split ends, etc. Well, I want to go over exactly what I do every day and every week with you guys on how I care for my hair and how I've grown it super long and how I've gotten it super healthy. I thought, what a better way than just take you through my entire hair routine from washing, conditioning, drying, and styling. So obviously I'm gonna fast forward through this video. I'm not gonna do it in real time because you would be here all day long and we don't want that. So this may sound super crazy, but I haven't washed my hair in a whole week. It's Saturday and I haven't washed my hair since last Saturday. And I know that sounds kind of gross, but honestly, I get the most compliments on my hair at the end of the week when I haven't washed my hair, as opposed to when I first wash my hair at the beginning of the week. And if you have a super long mane like me, it's a pain to wash and dry this. It takes forever, and you want to try to space it out as far as you can. So I'm going to show you how I do that. I noticed that when I curl my hair, it looks like it's less oily for longer during the week. So I curled my hair last Saturday. Actually, I filmed the curling wand video. I'll link that for you guys. And this is what it looks like after about a week. I haven't touched it up with a curling wand. I could have if I wanted to, but I kind of just let it ride, and it kind of ends up being this nice like voluminous wave, which I like. Also, another thing I do during the week to keep my hair looking fresh when it's obviously not freshly washed is get a good dry shampoo and use that. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. This stuff is awesome. So this, you just take your hair over a little bit, like take sections of it, hold this several inches away, give it a good spray. This says to wait 30 seconds between spraying it and kind of shaking it out so it can absorb the oil. And then you kind of shake it out and it just leaves you with volume and clean looking hair. Let's shake it out. Ta-da! Look how much volume I have, and my hair is not even close to being clean. So I encourage you to try to go longer between washings and using your heat tools because it will keep your hair healthier. And honestly, that's all I do during the week to keep my oily scalp at bay. Okay, so let's go wash this mane. Come meet me in the shower. Did I just say that to a bunch of strangers? Okay, let's go. All right, hey guys, we're in the shower. I know it's super echoey, so I'll try not to talk too much in here. I just wanted to go over what products I'm going to be using. Also, promise I'm wearing a swimsuit, not naked. Don't think I would film naked because I wouldn't. So the shampoo I always use and I've used for over a year now is this Kinra moisturizing shampoo. It works really well at giving my hair some hydration, especially in the dry winter months. Now, every other time I shampoo, I use one or the other of these. This one is a Shimmer Light Shampoo by Clairol. It is really great if you have blonde hair and you want to keep it from getting brassy. I use this every other time. The other half of the time I use this Kinra clarifying shampoo. So I like to use a clarifying or purifying shampoo, either one, every other week at least, to get rid of some of the product buildup, because I mentioned that I do use a lot of dry shampoo, so this helps get all the stuff out of my hair. Okay, then when we move on to conditioner, I alternate between these two also. So every other time I'll use the Kinra moisturizing conditioner, which is just the other half of the set to the Kinra shampoo. And then the other half of the time I'll use this hair mask. I've been using the Redken Frizz Dismiss mask. It makes my hair super smooth and silky. I just don't like to use it every time because it can kind of weigh your hair down. So let's get started. Okay, let's wash my hair.
Don't look
And we are back. So, anyone else get super relaxed in the shower? It's just so warm and, I don't know, just comforting. Now I feel like I should take a nap, but we have a video to finish, so let's get to this first. All right, I'm just gonna take my hair down out of this just microfiber towel wrap here. All right, throw that to the side for now. Okay, so my hair is still pretty wet, dampish. I let it stay up in that for a while just to get a lot of the extra moisture out of my hair, just so I don't have to use my hair dryer for as long to kind of cut down on the heat tools. So I'm gonna use my favorite spray ever. This is the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. Seriously, I feel like this cuts the drying time down on my hair. It leaves it super silky and helps me to detangle. Again, don't have any extensions in here, it's all my hair. I do lots of sprays just since I have so much hair. Okay, so we've got it all sprayed down. Now I go back with my wet brush. This is awesome for detangling. Seems to keep the damage out of my hair. So I just start with the bottom here, kind of brush it through, move up a little bit. If it's pulling too much and you feel like your hair is breaking, go down to the ends farther. Make sure they're all combed out first. All right.
I wanna leave it all behind. Stainless issues, you and I. Exploring hidden caves or something.
All right. So honestly, that's the only thing I use in my hair before I blow dry it. It protects it from the heat, it makes it silky. It's a deep conditioner and a heat protectant. So next, I need a little clip. I use a big clip because it's got lots of hair. I'm just gonna take roughly the top third to half and pull that up, just like if I was curling underneath of my hair. Separate this. I twist it all around so the ends aren't gonna get stuck in my brush. All right, and just place a big clip up here. Okay, so now to the blow dryer. I have this Dyson blow dryer. I know these are super expensive. I got this for my birthday last year, and I told my husband only buy it if you can get it at the refurb price, so it was like half price. I recommend it for the half price. For 400 bucks though, I'll link my favorite that I had before this, but it's much less than that. Okay, so let's get started. I do it on full volume and full heat. I just take my brush here, using the same brush, and I'm just following my brush on down my hair like this.
On the beaches of Hawaii, drinks in Ibiza. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Tell me if you need her, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, baby, in a heartbeat. Say the words and we can go.
Nice and dry and silky. So I'm gonna take the top portion of my hair down. All right, and so I'm gonna go back and forth. Before I start the loud dryer here, I'm gonna go back and forth, kind of volumizing my roots. I'm gonna flip my hair one way and dry it that way, and then flip the other way and dry it that way, and then kind of just smooth over the ends so they're silky and not so frizzy.
We've got just one life, baby, so live it up, take it one day at a time.
Okay, that should add some volume to my roots. Now I'm gonna roughly find my part here. All right, and then I'm just gonna smooth see how the bottom part got a little frizzier when I did all the flipping around? I'm just gonna smooth that now with the same brush. Okay, and when it feels mostly dry, I like to go over it with, I just put the dryer on the cool setting here, so I just hold the cool button. So that kind of polishes the cuticle, if you will, kind of like lays it down so that your hair is nice and smooth, and then it kind of cools it off when it's super hot. So let's do that. Okay, so I hope you can see how silky and soft my hair is and shiny. Has a little bit of volume at the roots because we flipped it. And what is this? This is the symbol for flip. We flipped it all around and then dried it the opposite way. If you want, add some texturizing spray or powder or something up here to give you some more volume. And honestly, I like to have volume when I blow dry because then I'll probably curl it later. I just posted a video of how I curl my hair with a curling wand, which is how I normally style it nowadays. So make sure you go watch that. I'll link it down below. If you guys have any questions, let me know. It just feels so nice and silky. I love feeling it. Does anyone else just want to pet their hair after they do it? Okay, anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.